back to my channel. So today I got another one for you guys. Today I'm making corn in a cup, also known as elote vaso. Usually I'm so lazy to make it, I'll just buy it from the corn man, but today I'm gonna show you how to make it at home. So what you need is some foam cups. You can use regular cups if you like, some Parmesan cheese, some cans of corn. You can use yellow or white. I just picked yellow because I couldn't find the white in the store, but it doesn't matter. Some Valentina sauce or powdered chili and some mayonnaise. Let's get started. Don't forget when you open your can of corn to be careful because the lid is sharp, and remember to drain the water out of your corn. Okay, guys, so I put about 4 cups of water in my corn, that way it can come to a boil and melt the butter. I put 2 tablespoons of butter. Alright, you guys, our corn is done. Now it's time to put it together. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to put my corn in my cup. Please be careful because this is probably hot. I am using a spoon that has slits so that way I don't get a lot of water inside my cup. But you do need a little bit of water so that way your corn isn't so dry. So now I'm going to put a full... Alright, now I'm going to add a spoon of mayonnaise, some lime juice, some Parmesan cheese, some Valentina, and what we're going to add to this is some hot Cheetos. And that, you guys, is how I make my elote en vaso. And we're going to pair that with chamoy and hot Cheetos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, share, subscribe, and like.